The 29th death anniversary of former leader of the Khasi Students' Union, Bul Nongjap Lingdo, was solemnly observed on the 7th of December 2023. Current leaders, organization members, and the family of late Lingdo paid their respects by placing floral tributes at his statue in Malki, Shillong. Fondly known as Babul, he was a steadfast student leader who unwaveringly championed the interests of the community. Serving as the president of the KSU from 1983 to 1990, Bul Lingdo not only demonstrated leadership in student affairs but also exhibited courage as a devoted advocate for the Jatbunriu or community. During the commemoration event, the General Secretary of the Khasi Students' Union, Donald Thaba, highlighted late Bul Lingdo's significant role in advocating for the rights of the Khasi people. Thaba emphasized the late leader's widespread recognition, quoting a member of the All Assam Students' Union, who described Bul Lingdo as, quote, a leader unmatched till today, unquote.
Rotary! Matchman! Rotary! Exam! Yes, you! Exam! Yes, you! Exam! Yes, you! Kublish pun.
Along ya pi bah kapor pa yaki persa ya ki karne pali yang sam kat kendai sepak prapunyo berkajing yaki persa banwan ra ya galetiral hang ni hajala jingi hausam kat kendai sepak prapu kendai uba Bul en Lingdo ula sak torsor ula sak bom ula sak tit hagi babon rukam ula sak pensitom ula sak pensaja hagi bor kaan hatat hadu bagamet jengu galak kro bagamet jengu kamla syu pan kerda ula im haga jing im ka bajenjar Henry sngoy ai namar ka ai ka bulale pada kalawara ai ka jing sngan jong ri ka jait menriu sibon teli ki snong kasi ki belande pan kala ki snong nepali kem ki snong maulai mau pram menom mensong ka dei lengba ka jing khun ka jong u menswa ka riboi ka ha opo ka east kas hills bet kitip kem ka riboi subdivision but kini ki poi ai kila dawa pan kala kerteng no ai kata ka riboi subdivision saka gorkha subdivision but kini kilong ki ai ki ba ha ka tu por ki nongelam jong ki isu jong Babul en Lingdo ba herlam bokwar berkumta ter kimla ban sya bat ki haban mi madan ban yakun borok Islam nanter hadu bagi office ki school borok Islam ki khang tak hadu bagi ni ki menderi ki haban pet bak napo kabri jong bunyong terak kentang yawai para samla tuai ba kumgi para dok para snam ki badan kata kajing clear kajing je kajai pendriu beginem kelat dalilai ruam beginyai pertu i beginyai but iki mati ki bagini ki nong yalam ki bamenswa ki jongi kilap le na ka benta ka bha kamiat ka jongi kembolong samla erik ban lada jen lada dei pamdan uba Bul en Lingdo kamut ha kani ka singi nam yuat pelong yang program Henry kindan digiwai pat ki jai pendriu ki ban yang ki ban pelong program ki ban pelong hartal ki ban pelong meeting hakeleng ka sor selong kade ka kamram ka jongi begini thu iwei piwei compare na ka sorkar kami thu compare na ka sorkar ka kentho Henry lada pat ba lada ki pardo parasna moro ki thu ki kan mau kamut ka jai pendriu ka jongi kamde ka jai pendriu ka bayap bat kade ka jai pendriu ka bayem bat kade ka jai pendriu ru ka bayakun lani kata ka martial race